Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam! Hey guys, I am going to be trying something that I've never tried before. I'm going to try like a fake wash and go on my old hair. It is wash day, kinda, in maybe like a week, and I really don't want to like waste this style because I always have like all these grand plans about what I'm gonna do with my hair, and then I never fall through with it. So I am gonna hold myself accountable, and I'm gonna be trying this new gel, Skala gel, and it looks like this. I don't like doing a wash and go from straight wet hair, like dripping, because I don't feel like my coily, kinky, dense hair needs to be wet, like soaking wet. And also I have low porosity, so I don't feel like that mixed really well. So the areas that I think I might need a little bit of extra water, my spray bottle broke a couple of weeks ago and I just haven't gotten a new one, so I'm using this Trader Joe's bottle and I just have straight water in it. So that's what I'm gonna be using. And I have the Skala gel, and this is what it looks like. It's a real gel. It kind of has the consistency of, I would have to say, Eco Styler. It looks a little bit more jiggly than Eco Styler gel. It has kind of a fruity floral smell. It's more in the middle. I don't feel like I would want this scent to be in my hair and all over my pillows, but I'm just gonna give it a try. I want to do stuff new this year, but I'm only going to do it for like the first couple of months. So I'm going to stop talking. This is what the state of my hair look like. And once again, this is just an old wash, my wash and go. If you want to know how I got my hair to this state and how long I've been having my hair in this state, then go and find, I will leave that video down below. But today's date is January 12th, 2026. So I think this is my first video since the new year. But products that we're gonna use: the Skala gel, you can see that, water, maybe a couple of clips, gotta have those, a scrunchie perhaps, and a brush of your choice. It is now 1:50. It is 2:51. That's what time it is. It's 2:51. So let me show you guys so nobody out here think I'm lying, because that's just doing a lot. But I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to get this done. So that's gonna conclude this video. This is not gonna hold not one curl, and I'm not even playing this game. I'm really not. This gel turns into a very watery consistency. Once you touch it, like, it looks like a custard, but then once you touch it and rub it in your hands, it literally evaporates. Like, I mean, it doesn't evaporate, but it melts like it's ice. Like, this wouldn't even work for me if I was going to do a slick bun or anything. This isn't clumping, and it literally turns into a water consistency on my hair. Even though I feel like some of the braid pattern is staying in the hair, like when I'm rubbing it, I can just tell from how my hair texture is that this gel is not for me at all. Like, it's gonna leave my hair super puffy, tangly, and I'm not fit to go through with even being bothered with this whole situation. And then I don't even know if I should try to like add other product onto it to try to make it work. But it's like immediately when I felt the consistency of it, I knew it wasn't gonna work. So, and then I'm sitting up here thinking, is like, can I actually give like a full review on it? This one I work for my hair. That one I work. I know that's not gonna work. I don't even need it to dry out. I don't know if it leaves a hard cast or not. And even with the product that I have put on my hair before, I know that that's not it. This is not gonna do anything. Let me see. I'm gonna twist it down to see if maybe it can give like a good twist out. But for right now, I know this isn't gonna do anything for my hair. I'm just curious as if it will get hard. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for you guys, but I know this would not give me, I got the water running. Okay, so that's not gonna give me the hold that I need, and I'm pretty sure it's not, especially for like a fake wash and go. I'm gonna go dry this section with it being in a twist and see if it gives like a hard hold or if it's a soft hold. So I'll be right back to show you guys if it gives a hard or a soft hold. The Skala hair gel, it did not dry hard at all, but I can tell that it's not going to give me the hold that I need. It's a really soft hold, but I don't feel like this product will work well for my hair type. I am going to try, like I said before, I'm going to try and see what it looks like on freshly washed hair and see if it dries hard or soft with no grease on my hair. But this is what the Skala twist look like. It shrunk up quite a bit, but from this first test with the Skala gel, I am not sold yet. I don't necessarily care for the texture. The smell is pretty okay. I can deal with the smell. You can still smell it faintly when it's dry, and my twist is 100% dry, but as you can see, it's not hard at all. I'm trying to think if I would want to do my entire head with like kinky twist or something with them. So that's why I twisted my hair with the gel, just to see if it will look different than using a foam or a mousse or anything like that, because that's what I've been using is a foam or a mousse. But I feel like it doesn't really have as much shine as the other gels that I have tested. So for me, I would not necessarily use the Skala in this particular form, but I am gonna try it wet.